In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix links not opening in Google Chrome. If you've ever clicked on a link and nothing happens, or Chrome just sits there and doesn't load the page, this walkthrough will help you get things working again. We'll go through a clear set of actions in order, so you can follow along and try each one on your own computer. First, make sure you're actually connected to the internet. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to overlook. Try opening a completely different website by typing its address directly into the address bar. If that doesn't load either, restart your router or check your Wi-Fi or network connection before continuing with Chrome-specific fixes. Next, close Chrome completely and reopen it. On some systems, just clicking the X doesn't fully close the browser. Make sure all Chrome windows are shut, then open it again from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder. After relaunching, test a link to see if it now opens properly. If links still aren't working, disable any extensions that might be interfering. In Chrome, open the menu in the top right corner, go to the Extensions section, and toggle them off one by one. After disabling them, try clicking your link again. If it works, turn extensions back on one at a time to see which one is causing the problem. Then remove or replace that specific extension. Now, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, stored browsing data can become corrupted and block pages from loading correctly. Open Chrome's settings. Go to the Privacy or Clear Browsing Data section, and choose to clear cached images and files, as well as cookies, for at least the last few weeks. You usually don't need to clear passwords or download history for this issue. When that's done, close and reopen Chrome, then try your link again. If you're still stuck, reset Chrome's settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option to restore settings to their original defaults. This will turn off extensions, reset your startup page and search engine, and clear temporary data, but it won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. After resetting, restart Chrome and test your links once more. Finally, if none of these steps solve it, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it from your computer, download the latest version from the official website, and install it fresh. When you sign back in with your Google account, your bookmarks and sync data should return, and in many cases, this clears out any deeper issues that were blocking links from opening.